everyone. This is Mr. Vinayak Vamanrao Bembrekar, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Today we talk about the environmental awareness, that is the part of our international FDP. So initially, what do you mean by the environmental awareness? Whatever daily practices we do, and these are related to the waste energy, transport, the water issues, those are related with the environment. These things we have to be taken care so we can save our environment. Next is the climate change. Nowadays we know about the climate change. Climate change is changing day by day. The consequences of the climate change are observed from last century and from last decades, such as flood situations, rising temperatures. Such type of consequences we are observing. So to save our climate, we have to taken care of these things. So next is the ecological footprints. That is, ecological footprint is a measure of human demand on the earth resources and amount of nature resources required to sustain our consumptions and deal with the our waste. Means if we have to save our environment, these things we have to be taken care so that we can save our environment. Next is the carbon management. This is the most important thing to save our environment, that consists of the process of managing an individual or organization's emissions of the greenhouse gases, then CO2 reductions. We have to do in this way the carbon management. Then sustainable development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. In this way we have to do the sustainable development. Next is the three strains of sustainability, that consist of economic, social and environment. That environment consists of viable nature environment, economic consists of sufficient economy, social consists of nurturing economy. If we club these three things, we'll get the sustainable development, and if we club that environmental and economics, we'll get the sustainable economic development. If we click that environmental and social, we'll get the sustainable nature and the build the environment. So we, by the combination of these things, we'll get the different aspects. We have to be keep in mind these things very well to save our environment. Then next is the impacts of the environmental changes, that consists the following are the key features of an ecological footprint, that consists of average footprints, developed world resource use, developing world resource use, need for food, transport, energy use, agriculture, deforestations, population growth, speed in which it takes to regenerate what we use in year. Next is the CO2 emissions, latest state. So whatever statistical data we have, that consists of whatever the CO2 emissions we have shown, that are between that 1990 to 2009, that is a 20% higher, then increase of 35% between 1995 to 2005, and decrease of 9% from 2008 to 2009. Carbon footprint increased by 12% over a period. Then CO2 emissions, that is agriculture, fluorinated gases, then waste energy, transport, industry and the household. Then impact of environmental change, that consists of major impacts. Following are the major impact, that is global warming. Means these are the major impacts we are showing, that is global warming, sea level rise, ocean acidifications, health, temperature rise, then extreme weather even, then deforestation, ecosystem strain, loss of biodiversity. The next is global warming. The main cause of the global warming is the emission of the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. Next is the human activity over the past 20 to 250 years, including the burning of fossil fuel, change of land use and agriculture has increased the concentration of the greenhouse gases in the in the earth atmosphere. As these gases build up in the atmosphere, they strengthen what is known as the greenhouse effect. So these are the major effect whatever things we have discussed. Thank you for watching video.